Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to stop echo or add like noise cancellation or audio filters to just essentially make your audio feel a lot better, right? So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm. And then the next thing you want to go ahead and do is locate in your audio mixer where you want or like what mic that you want to take the echo away from. Go to filters, and then you can use noise suppression and a compressor to essentially get rid of any outside echo or any bad background noise. And it's going to be different for everybody's computer or mic, but I like to use the RN noise good quality. And then on the compressor, these are my settings. You can go ahead and make them the same and see if they work for you, and then adjust them to whatever sounds best for you. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. One more thing I'll note is I added a little bit of gain to my mic because I turned everything down a little bit with this after I got it sounding nice to essentially make myself a little bit louder so you guys can hear me better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.